Oh boy. Well, it's raining out, as you can tell. I'm pretty sure you see the precipitation on the windows. I'm going to get ready to do something that I haven't done in at least maybe 6 years, man. I'm headed to West Point Lake on a real rainy day. Thunderstorms are supposed to come in probably around about 4:30 down there. So I got a short window of opportunity to go down there and throw some minnows and try to catch some of these shell crackers, because they're in spawn mode too. So they're not hard to find if you know where to look. I got a honey hole down there too. So way before I started fishing Oconee, and before I got a boat, before I got a kayak, I used to bank fish down there and wear them out. So hopefully it's still the same kind of situation going on down there. And it's not full pool, so I know my spot is exposed where I would usually walk out and fish in the deep. But I shouldn't have to do that today. I should be able to find these beds, because they do the same thing every year. You know, it doesn't matter what's going on in the world. They're going to spawn. You know, they're going to make beds and they're going to protect them. So easy to find. Hopefully today they're in there. Hopefully the water temp is still above 55, somewhere around in there. Should be easy to find. We'll see. I'll see you when I get on the water. Brief window of opportunity. Probably about 2 hours before this next storm come in. But look at that right there. Water's low like I want it to be. Let me see if I'll be able to launch right here. As long as I can get out and get in, I'm good to go. Ooh. Will I get stuck? No, I think I'm good. Yes, sir. West Point. Let's get it. I found them. Come here. Come here. Yes, sir. You won't be going home empty-handed today. He's going in the cooler. Oh, man. Jesus. I might need to turn around. Oh, got him again. He came back. Oh, it's a double header. Good grief. Ooh, oh, This is a nice one. Whatever it is. Put the bad boy in reverse. Ooh, another bass. Come here. Oh, yes sir. I'll take that. Had to resort to some long lining. I sure hope I was filming. Yes sir. What's up YouTube? All I can tell you is I'm on my way back from the little excursion to West Point Lake. Boy, they were hitting. They were easy to find. You know, they were up in the shallow water. You know, probably anywhere. I really couldn't tell you because I was rolling without a fish finder, and I still managed to catch my limit in crappie today. My battery went dead, and I didn't think to bring a spare one with me, so I didn't get everything on footage on camera. I got a little bit of footage, you know. I'll throw something together, but this time of year it's easy to find big fish, and crappie when they're in spawn mode in one lake, they're spawn mode pretty much everywhere in Georgia. The only lake that I haven't been able to figure out is Lake Lanier, you know. But other than that, I didn't catch any shell crackers today. I caught all crappie and all bass. So, but it's a nice little mess. It's gonna stink up the grease real nice. So, other than that, until next time, fishing with CMI. And hey, you can't catch them from the couch. Get out there, go fishing.